Just 1 minute. Just. Hey guys, welcome to today's video and Happy New Year to all of you. So we are into 2019. So what are my resolutions and what are your resolutions? Okay, let's talk about the resolution for this year. I have many resolutions, but I'm not sure whether I'll be able to accomplish them, but I'll try hard. First resolution is, because I am a sweet lover, I will try to reduce sweets from my diet. Second resolution, I'm a workout freak and I'll continue to do the workouts regularly. And also I will make a lot of videos for you which will be useful for you. Okay, let's talk about your resolutions. What are your resolutions for this year? Please write down in the comment section what are your resolutions for the year and what you are going to do to accomplish them. Today is the first day of the year and we have to do something new. Of course we are going to do something new today. DIY series, do it yourself series. So today we are going to discuss about the vitamin C for the skin, and also we are going to prepare the vitamin C serum for the skin. What is vitamin C? Vitamin C is a water soluble vitamin which is naturally presented in some of the foods. So what are the benefits of vitamin C? Vitamin C is an antioxidant and it also helps to regenerate the other antioxidants in the body, and it also delays the effect of the free radicals on the skin and the body. Our age and sun UV rays damages our skin and reduces the collagen production, leading to the skin issues. What are those issues? Wrinkles, sagging skin, discoloration, all that. So by consuming the vitamin C in terms of food or supplements, it will increase the collagen production and also it reduces the fine lines, wrinkles, and gives the plump and smoother skin. The antioxidant properties of vitamin C fights against the free radicals, and also it lightens the hyperpigmentation and dark spots. It has a skin repair quality. If your skin is already damaged with the sun UV rays, then it will encourage the healthy cell turnover and regeneration of cells. Basically it protects from aging. There are different forms of vitamin C, but let's not discuss about that in this video. So today we are going to prepare the vitamin C serum for the skin. So what is the procedure to prepare that? Let's get into it. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. So to prepare the vitamin C serum, we require this much of ingredient. First one, I'm gonna take the quinoa fruit. Otherwise you can take any other fruit which has the vitamin C properties in it, or else you can take any vegetable or fruit which belongs to lemon family. The second ingredient is the aloe vera gel. You can find any aloe vera gel because we have so many brands available in the market, or else you can take the fresh aloe vera gel from the plant. And the third ingredient is the vitamin E capsule, which is also very good for the skin. So we'll take just one capsule in this whole video, and little bit of coconut oil. So let's see how to prepare the vitamin C serum at home. So we have to take 2 quinoa fruits and we have to peel the orange layer of the fruit. We have to avoid the white part of the fruit, just the orange zest we require. So this is how I have peeled the orange zest from the fruit. I have already peeled off the orange zest from 2 fruits and got this much of quantity. We have to boil this orange zest in 1 big cup of water. And how much time we have to boil? Until we get only 4 spoons of water out of it. So this much of quantity I have got from 2 fruits. And after that I have to add the aloe vera gel. First, let's have 1 spoon of aloe vera gel and mix it well. Just mix it until it dissolves in the juice. Next, I'm gonna take the vitamin E capsule. Just 1 capsule is enough. and again mix it well until it dissolves into the solution. And just 1 drop of coconut oil. Again mix it well. So our vitamin C serum is ready. This much of quantity we should complete within 8 to 10 days. Once it crosses the 10 days, we have to prepare the fresh serum and you can store it in the fridge. So this is how we are storing in one container, and tight the lid and store in a fridge. So how to use the vitamin C serum? Let's take this serum and with your fingers take a little bit of quantity and apply wherever you want. I'm just applying on my hand. You can see clearly that how much glow I am getting instantly. See? This is not oily, greasy or sticky. It glides on the skin very nicely. So how much of quantity we have to use per application? It's again your choice. You can start with few drops of serum and see whether it goes well with your routine. And if it goes well, then increase the number of drops. Otherwise, stop using it. I would recommend for the sensitive skin people to do the wear test first. But I know that it will be good for the oily skin and acne prone skin, because I too have the same acne prone and oily skin. And it is going very well with my skin. When to apply this serum? We have to clean our face very nicely first and then apply this serum on a very little damp skin. And then we have to go with sunscreen, and sunscreen is the must. After that only we should apply any makeup product. Okay, I believe that you have enjoyed this video by knowing the importance of vitamin C for the skin, and also by knowing the procedure how to prepare the vitamin C serum for the skin. Now time has come to say bye and happy new year to all of you. Have lots of fun. Subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the ring bell button. If you like this video, give a big thumbs up. Bye.